Welcome to Algo Trade Friday, your weekly ticket to the exciting world of algorithmic trading. I am your host, Georgie, and today we've got something special in store as we guide you through the process of connecting a broker. And we're going to do it right on the MetaTrader 5 platform. But that's not all. We're also spotlighting Lite Finance, so you can witness firsthand how to link this broker to your trading arsenal. So fasten your seatbelts, traders, because we're about to dive into a world where innovation meets opportunity. Let's get started. Before we jump into today's exciting content, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to our returning viewers. Your ongoing support means the world to us and keeps us motivated to bring you the best in every video. And for those joining us for the first time, welcome aboard. We're thrilled to have you here, and we hope you'll find our content both informative and engaging. Now, whether you're a returning viewer or a new face in the crowd, there's one small favor I'd like to ask. If you enjoy what you see today, please take a moment to hit that like button. It goes a long way in supporting our channel. And if you think this video could benefit someone you know, don't hesitate to share it with them. Sharing is caring, after all. Last but not least, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and ringing that notification bell. This way, you'll stay up to date with our latest content and join our growing community of like-minded individuals. Thank you once again for being here, and let's dive right into the video. First things first, we're going to go to litefinance.org, and there you'll find the Lite Finance broker. Lite Finance offers a wide range of trading options, from charts to investments. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my previous videos on how to create your Lite Finance account. I'll guide you through the process again, so don't worry if you missed it the first time. By using Lite Finance, you can buy and sell, copy successful traders, earn affiliate commissions, and participate in contests and promotions. It's a comprehensive platform with a variety of features. Lite Finance provides access to a wide range of assets, including over 300 different ones, such as currencies, commodities, and indices. If you're new to trading, make sure to watch my previous video for a better understanding of these assets. Lite Finance offers different account types, including classic and ECN accounts. When you log in, you can create an account, but you can also use the referral link I've provided below this video. In this case, you'll have access to both MetaTrader 5 and, if need be, CTrader, along with a mobile trading app. On the Lite Finance website, you'll find various account types, copy trading platforms like MetaTrader 5 and CTrader stocks, analytics, forecasts, and more. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to set up your MetaTrader account with Lite Finance. To begin, log in to your Lite Finance account using your email. At this point, I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, to enhance the security of your account. 2FA provides an additional layer of protection. After logging in, you'll see your real trading account. If you want to practice without risking real money, you can switch to a demo account. Lite Finance offers a wide range of assets to trade, including cryptocurrencies, commodities, and stock indices. Now let's move on to configuring your MetaTrader account. If you haven't already downloaded MetaTrader 5, check out my video on how to do that. I'll link it here. To connect your Lite Finance account to MetaTrader 5, open the MetaTrader 5 application. You'll see a MetaQuote demo account by default, but we won't be using that. Instead, we want to connect our demo account from Lite Finance. Copy your Lite Finance account login and then paste it into the MetaTrader 5 login field. It's essential to ensure that the login credentials are correct. Next, enter your password. You should hear a whooshing sound indicating a successful connection. If you encounter any issues, try right-clicking on Lite Finance in the platform and then select Login to a new trading account. Make sure you choose the correct server for the connection to initiate correctly. If you experience any problems, it's okay to restart the app and try again. In conclusion, remember to double-check your login details, especially the trader's password, which is crucial for trading. You can explore the MetaTrader 5 app to familiarize yourself with its features. I'll be posting videos on how to navigate MetaTrader 5 every Tuesday and MQL 5 on Fridays, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for lending me your time and ears. Your support means a lot, and I'm here to help you make the most out of your trading experience with Lite Finance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. Let's emphasize the significance of ensuring that your passwords match precisely. Matching your passwords correctly is an absolute must to maintain the security and seamless operation of your Lite Finance account. Your passwords are your digital keys, and any discrepancy can lead to disruptions in your trading activities and even compromise your account safety. To elaborate further, your trader's password enables you to execute trades, while the investor's password grants read-only access, meaning you can view trades but not modify them. Therefore, the distinction between these passwords is crucial for your trading strategy. Please take your time to enter and confirm your passwords with utmost accuracy. Any mismatch or error could result in login issues or prevent you from executing trades as intended. Rest assured that when your passwords match correctly, your trading experience will be more secure and efficient. In summary, we cannot stress enough the importance of making sure your passwords match perfectly. It's the cornerstone of your Lite Finance account's security and functionality. If you have any doubts or concerns about this process, do not hesitate to reach out for assistance or further clarification. Your peace of mind and successful trading are our top priorities. Everyone for joining me today in this tutorial on linking MetaTrader with Lite Finance. Whether you're a returning viewer or new to my channel, I appreciate your time and support. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button to let me know. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow traders and friends who might benefit from this information. For more valuable trading insights and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Your support is what keeps this channel going, and I'm here to assist you on your trading journey. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to having you with us in the next video. Happy trading!